In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag and organize contacts in Mailchimp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a tag and apply it to the right contacts so you can segment your audience with confidence and save time when you build campaigns. First, open your Mailchimp dashboard and head to the audience area. This is the home base for your contacts and where all organization tools live. Inside Audience, go to the Tags section. Tags are simple labels you attach to contacts, like customers, lead, or event attendees. They're flexible and don't change your list structure, which makes them great for quick filtering and targeted messaging. Next, create a new tag. Click the option to create a new tag, then type the tag name. Keep it clear and consistent so you'll recognize it later. Short, descriptive names work best. Think VIP, Webinar March, or Abandoned Cart. If you use dates or sources, consider a standard format like Source Facebook or Event 2026-03. So similar tags, sort together neatly. When you're happy with the name, click Create to save it. Now return to your audience contacts. Locate the contact or contacts you want to tag. You can select individual contacts using the checkboxes next to their names, or use the search bar to quickly find someone specific. If you're applying the same tag to many people, filters can help narrow down the list before you select them. Take a moment to double check your selection. It's easier to confirm now than to clean up later. With your contacts selected, choose Tag Contacts. A panel will open showing your available tags. Pick the tag you just created. If a contact already has other tags, don't worry. Mailchimp allows multiple tags on the same person, so you can be as precise as you need. When you've chosen the tag, click Apply. Mailchimp will attach that label to all selected contacts and you'll see a confirmation on screen. From now on, you can quickly filter by that tag whenever you want to build a segment, send a campaign to a specific group, or simply review that portion of your audience. If you ever need to adjust, you can remove or add tags the same way. To keep things tidy over time, stick to a simple naming convention, avoid creating near duplicate tags, and review your tags periodically so they stay meaningful. That's all there is to it. Create your tag, select your contacts, apply the tag, and you're set for smarter organization and easier targeting in Mailchimp.